Hello, I'm Harvey from Lloyd Land Rover in Stockton. Today we've got a very nice example of a Range Rover Sport. This one in particular is finished in Fuji White. It's a HSE and it looks absolutely stunning. This is a dynamic as well, so you have got that sporty styling aesthetic. Atlas grey Range Rover badging with the grille as well. LED headlights and 21-inch diamond turned alloy wheels with gloss black accents. This car comes with a black contrast roof. We've got the black accents on the door handles and the dynamic branding at the bottom and privacy glass. Again, if you're looking for a high specification car and you're looking for something very sleek, look no further. Power tailgate, huge boot in Range Rover Sport, air suspension is standard. If we look under here as well, you've got extra storage, and the electronic air suspension can be activated from the rear as well as the cockpit. Coming to where the passengers sit, we'll come into the rear now. Ebony perforated leather, black stitch, no clear signs of wear and tear. Being a HSE, you do get reheated seats as standard with a Meridian Sound system and fast charging points in the middle. And then coming into the front of the car, at the time of recording, 28,749 miles from new. Digital driver's display, heated steering wheel, memory electric seats for not the passenger but the driver as well, and all around just a very, very nice car. One of the biggest selling points on this vehicle in particular is I've got that sliding panoramic roof. And then if we look at the interior, we've got the Touch Pro Duo system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionality, extra storage with a fridge as well. So some very, very big selling points. So should you be looking for a Range Rover Sport, something very stylish, very sleek with huge specification, look no further. This is priced to sell, ready to go for immediate delivery. Feel free to inquire online or call us on 01642 644 444. Thank you.